Great value Nissan Qashqai, just in, direct from the last owner. Registered in January 2020. The last owner bought the car when it was about 10 months old with about 7,000 miles. A vivid blue metallic. What a beautiful car. This is the 1.3, 160 brake horsepower. So when people say 1.3 is underpowered, 160 brake horsepower. So very, very powerful car. Great spec on it. Acenta premium. Let's show you all the way around it. Look at that colour, absolutely gorgeous. Vivid blue metallic. Huge boot on these. There really is a massive, massive boot. Split folding rear seats. Lovely and clean, not been abused. All the toolkit there complete, including the lock and wheel bolt. Reverse camera, rear parking sensors. A great family car. All the wheels in great condition. We've not had these refurbished. They're all very, very good condition. Tyres good all the way around. Very clean on the bodywork. Rear privacy glass. As I mentioned, these are very, very popular family cars. Easy access because a little bit higher off the ground. Good SUVs. Loads of space inside. Front parking sensors. Lovely and clean on the bonnet. Just a little mark there just on the bumper, otherwise very, very good all the way around. Again, the driver's wheel, good condition. Got the black wheel arch protectors on the arches as well. And the final wheel and the final tyre. Again, as you can see, plenty of tread. Electric rear windows. Black and grey cloth upholstery, all in beautiful condition. A non-smoker's car, no nasty smells in there. All the headlining in good condition. Plenty of legroom there. Electric windows, electric mirrors. You've got the folding mirrors on this one as well. Leather multifunction steering wheel. Lane assist. Again, all the upholstery across the front. All in beautiful condition. Mileage of just 41,517. Serviced by Nissan. Nice touch screen, easy to access everything on there. So you've got satellite navigation, nice big clear map, all the radio audio systems on there, the menu just on there, reverse camera, dual zone climate control, AutoHold, 6-speed manual gearbox, central armrest with massive storage in there, USB AUX input in there as well. Leather multifunction steering wheel, radio controls, got various menu controls on there as well. Again, just shows on the dashboard whatever you've chosen. Cruise control and speed limiter. You've also got voice activation. Just makes it very safe, so you can say the commands if you want navigation, map, radio, to call somebody. Again, all full menu on there. The folding mirrors. So there we have it, our beautiful Qashqai with 45,000 miles, 2 owner car, 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear. We welcome part exchange. Great finance available direct from ourselves. Check our online finance calculator and work out your HP or PCP deal. You can click and reserve this car 24/7. Click and reserve, come and collect from our showrooms in Stoke-on-Trent. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Please ask us for full and further details how that works. Read about our raving fans reviews and understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We make buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process. Give us a call on 01782 822 700. Our phone number again is 01782 822 700.
So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997 and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, of exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get update of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.